Hey guys, how's it going? Next and hopefully last part of this video is engine is back in. I added up all the fluids this morning. Let it sit for a bit just to make sure that it all leaks before I even try and crank it over, which is all good. So everything looks pretty good so far. The only issue that I'm having actually was with the exhaust. I don't know, I bought this off of the forums or the Kijiji here in Calgary, so it's actually like too long, so I'm gonna have to bring it out to a exhaust shop to kind of get it like cut and then re-welded back up to size. Otherwise I'm still gonna try and start this car here so I can double check everything else, but that's pretty much my last part there. Wiring harness is back in, and I just left like half the interior apart, so in case I need to take everything apart and finalize anything. So right now is kind of the moment of truth. I filled up all the fluids, and right now we're gonna have to prime the engine first. So what we'll probably do is just pull out the ignition fuse to disable it, and then crank it for 5 seconds at a time, stop 5 seconds at a time, just to prime the motor here. So I'm just gonna put this try and set this up here so we can prime the motor, and then we'll get a shot of it actually starting up after I put the fuse back in, so hang on. Alright guys, now let's put the fuse back in, and hopefully everything goes good, or otherwise I can't post this video. Alright guys, let's see if this thing starts up. It's gonna be loud without the exhaust in there. Subaru rumble. Awesome guys, so it actually runs and sounds pretty good, but I'm in the garage, so having no exhaust right now is actually kind of smoking up the garage, so I'm gonna have to shut it off. I'm gonna find some place to try and bring the exhaust to shorten it for me and weld it back, and then finalize the last part. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe, and I'll definitely make a couple more videos when everything gets a little bit more tidied up.